Hey you guys, welcome back to another Allure Beauty Box unboxing. This box is for the month of March. Is it March? Yes, it's March already. Oh my goodness. My birthday is in less than 2 weeks. Oh my goodness. Okay, so anyway, hey you guys, welcome back. I have another Allure Beauty box. This box is for the month of March, and I wanted to show you everything that came in it for this month. It's a $15 a month beauty subscription box, and you usually get 5 to 6 deluxe sample size makeup and skincare products, sometimes a full size, and it looks like this box they threw in a 7th product. So no complaints about that. The more the merrier. So each box comes like this, and they include a booklet of all the products in there and their retail price, and a little description about them where you can purchase them online, and some of them will include promo codes as well. Alright, so let's see what we have. I did look inside it when I usually look inside these when I first get them, and I did look inside this one. But I don't exactly remember. So, okay, the first thing is by Oribe, O-R-I-B-E. It's a freestyler working hairspray. I love testing hairsprays because I generally have to wear hairspray when I work because I'm a server and it's fast paced, and you know, if I don't, I have to wear my hair back, and if I don't like put a thin coat of hairspray just for the flyaways, then it'll look like a frizzy mess. So excited to try this one. You know, there's really not much to say. It's a hairspray. You really don't know until you try it on if it's going to be one that you like or not. I don't like, obviously I want hairspray to do its job. I want it to hold the hair in place, but I don't want it to get all hard and crunchy either. Moving on to the next product. Okay, so this is by a company called Simple. It's Sensitive Skin Experts Water Boost Hydrating Gel Cream with Minerals and Plant Extracts. This can be purchased at Target, and this retails for $9.99. Okay, so that's very inexpensive. The hairspray retails for $42. And the next product is by Laneige. It's Special Care Water Sleeping Mask. Okay, so this is a sleeping mask for all skin types, and this is a deluxe sample size. And the full size retails for $25. That's not too bad. It has a subtle smell, and it's a gel formula that is light. So that's good, because you know some sleep masks you put on while you're sleeping can be kind of heavy and you know it's there. They're saying that this is a very light formula, so you don't really feel it heavy on your face while you're sleeping. So that's good. The next product is, ooh, what the hell? La Roche-Posay. It's an ultralight sunscreen fluid. This is really great because we're into spring now. Summer won't be far behind. So I want to, you know, start trying out different sunscreens and find a good one. And this retails for $19. Also, okay, so everything in here so far is fairly affordable if you were to buy full size, except the hairspray, $42. I don't think I'd spend $42 on a hairspray. I mean, I would have to be completely obsessed with it in order to do that. So, ultralight sunscreen. Okay, so this sunscreen is fast absorbing, matte finish, normal to combination skin. I have dry to normal skin, so that should be fine. What's the SPF? 80. Okay, it's water resistant for up to 80 minutes. That's cool. And it doesn't SPF, high enough SPF, but what is the SPF? And supposedly it doesn't leave you looking chalky or greasy. Okay, and the SPF is 60. So that's a nice little deluxe sample size to try for sunscreen. And the next product is, yet again, an eyeliner. I get eyeliners in these boxes all the time. All the time. It's so common. This is by Ico London. That's where I draw the line. A waterproof, lash enhancing, carbon black liquid eyeliner. 1.2 grams. Okay, so this is a deluxe sample size eyeliner. And the next product, this I I also have the Sephora Play, and I get the Makeup Forever lipsticks in those boxes all the time. I'm actually kind of surprised to see one in this box, but it looks to be a nude, a really nice nude color. Yes, so I think I'll really like this color, and I do enjoy the Makeup Forever Artist Rouge Cream, you know, matte lipstick formula. Oh, I like this color. Okay, I love this nude color. I love this, and it's in the shade C211. Okay, so the last product is actually the product I was most excited about because I've heard good things about this foundation. This is another Makeup Forever product. It's the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Invisible Cover Foundation. I'm really excited to try this. I love getting foundation samples because I love testing skincare, testing foundation, primers. I love to just try those products out and find, and I'm always on the search to find the ones that are just perfect for me. And there's nothing worse than purchasing you know, a foundation for like upwards of $30, and you know, trying it on and realizing you don't like it. So I love getting samples for foundation. I think that's so important because I don't, you know, I really want to try a foundation before I buy it, unless it's drugstore and it's $10 or less. Then I don't have such a, you know, problem with it. So I'm only just hoping that this shade is a match. It might be a little dark. I'm not really sure if it's too dark. I'm sure it won't be once, you know, summer's here and I'm outside in the sun more often. But yeah, I've heard great things about this, and I'm really excited to try this. And this foundation, if I do like it, I'll try it soon. And if I do like it, I'll probably pick one up at the for the Sephora spring sale as well. So those foundations, they retail for $43. That's really expensive. I'm really excited to try this foundation. That's everything in this this month, March Allure Beauty box. I'll go over everything one more time. So you have this hydrating gel cream, which isn't a full size. Retail value on this is $10. I think everything was fairly inexpensive if you bought the full size, except for this foundation at $43 and this hairspray at $42. So we have these two products, the foundation, Makeup Forever foundation, and then this hairspray, and then a Makeup Forever lipstick, lipstick. Those are all deluxe sample size, and then 3 more deluxe sample size, 1 sunscreen, an eyeliner, and then a sleeping mask that's supposed to have a light formula, and then again the full-size hydrating gel cream. So that is everything that was included in this month's box. So feel free to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!